Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to take a napkin and create a flag. This napkin had 6 parts to it, and so we are actually going to create 6 of these for my shop. First, we're going to take a board that we have in my shop. It is 6 by 12, and we're going to paint it white. You can definitely use canvas, you can use scrap wood that you have, just whatever you want to do to emulate this look. It does not have to be exactly like I am. I'm just giving you some ideas on how to use napkins. These napkins are in my monthly napkin club, so if you want to join that, I have linked it below. Now here I did measure the left side to where the napkin is going to be, and then I am actually taking washi tape and I am sectioning off stripes. You can see I have a piece of washi tape that I'm using as my spacer. That makes your stripes come out absolutely perfectly each time. So go ahead and make your stripes, lay your washi tape down on your pieces, and then we're going to paint those pieces red. Once the paint is all dry, I give it a quick sanding just to distress it a little bit. And now we're going to actually do our napkin. I am putting it on this section here where I'm actually putting my Mod Podge on, and then we're going to let it dry. This is the dry Mod Podge method that is so much easier. Take the layers of your napkin apart, adhere it down. When you use this, you need to put parchment paper over the top of your napkin. Make sure your iron is warmed up and iron away. This is going to make it adhere, and then we're just taking some sandpaper and knocking off the edges. Now we're going to dress up the edges. I found this adorable kind of ruffly ribbon at Walmart, and so I thought it was going to be perfect for the edges. And so we just hot glued it around just sporadically. I didn't use hot glue everywhere, just to dress it up a little bit. What do you think? This was a really fun napkin. I love the flower on it. I love the red, white, and blue. If you love this DIY and all things home creative, please visit me at theruffleddaisy.org and make sure you're following me on all the social media channels.